Want to create a folder on your Canon camera to organize your photos? Most users don't know this easy way to keep things tidy. In this video, I'll show you how to create folders on your Canon camera. Let's create a folder right now. First, turn on your camera. After that, press the menu button. Then select the Wrench 1 tab from the top. Here you will find the Select Folder option. Then press the Set button. Here you will see a folder with 100. When you insert a new or formatted SD card, the camera creates a folder named something like 100 Canon. And under that folder, you will get the Create Folder option. Select this option and then press the Set button. Select OK and then press the Set button. Now the camera has created a new folder, like 101 Canon. But there is one more thing you have to know. If your folder reaches 9,999 photos, the camera will create a new folder like 100, 102 Canon, and so on. This is an automatic process actually. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.